The Fightbox M-Series game controllers can support both Korean joystick and Japanese joystick by using different joystick bracket. Japanese joystick bracket supports Sanwa joystick, Shimizu joystick. Korean joystick bracket supports Sanduksor, crown and other Korean lever. Using the joystick bracket requires removing the original bracket panel of the joystick by removing the screws. The joystick without the bracket panel is installed to the joystick bracket, using the original set screws to hold it in place. Then it's time to attach the joystick bracket to the controller case. The Korean lever uses a special Korean joystick bracket because of the difference in the fixing holes and the protruding part in the center. Installation is the same as for the Japanese joystick bracket. Also, because of the different sizes of hole openings for the Japanese and Korean joystick, different faceplates are needed to match. A panel with a large opening is what allows the protruding part of the Korean lever to be fully exposed without affecting the height of the controller.